Hey guys, welcome to another review. Today we're not in an unusual spot because I've had to move to another table, so I'm not doing anything yet. As you see, I have three different characters with me right now. Oh, let's fix this. It's so wobbly. You see, we got Megatron, Shockwave, and Hailstorm because we have something completely different today. We have just one of these for now. It is a minivere dino. Miniverse make it mini dino. So yeah, and today I'm actually doing an unboxing of it. So what we want to do is we want to peel. I said I wanted to peel, but oh well. When does this ever work? I swear I just wanted a simple pull tab. Thank you. Now we throw that behind the set. We're on to a second one. How hard is it to do this? Now we throw that behind the set. Never to be seen again. So I'm cleaning up. And now we just open this up. So we've got that, weird tube, and all these many instructions. Shred them over there. So now we've got this. I believe this should be just the instructions. I do not know which one it is. So we've got all this. You could get any of the following. I'm praying it's the Spinosaurus or the Mosasaurus. Love it if it's the Ceratops or the Indominus, like any of them ones. Now let's see, because this is going to make a cameo in the video. So let's get the instructions out to the side then, okay? Now we need to open the egg. Now, do not see a tear anywhere. Ugh, I can kill my fingers. Thanks for just watching, guys. Now, okay, we've got this. I do not see what we've got. Now let's just attach this into here real quick. How's this go? Any specific way? Doesn't seem to me. Now just turn it upside down. So now we look in here. We've got this. Just gonna open it up. Ow. 1 sec. Right guys, I'm back. I opened the pack. Recommend using scissors. I didn't use scissors, I just used my pro fingers. Anyway, so it says you need to use this. And now you open this apparently. Oh, we're gonna open it. Ooh. Okay, throw that down to the side there. I shall leave that attached to it. Now it's saying we need the big pack, it seems, or is this? It's saying we need this. How am I doing this? Because I don't like the look of that. Okay. Come on off, little tape pieces. Like a tape piece. There it is. It's a bit of glitter. Oh no, it's similar to the things from the another series. Okay, I'm gonna do one more little scoop here. Drop the spoon there. I'm gonna leave that glitter concealed. This is species 1202. Now it says we need to open bios and genetics section. So if I just move this back ever so slightly, we can now open this. Ooh. Species 7211. Wonder what this is. So now this is saying we've got to open this. So I'll open this up off camera over here just because I've got a bit of space. Okay, so there's that. Open. Drop that. Doesn't smell of anything. Let's just. Doesn't say how much to add. I'm just gonna add like a little bit more, little drop in more. One more drop should do this. Okay, there's that done. Now we've got to close it back up. Obviously, get off me. Let's put that back in the box for now. Okay, let's put it back off camera here. A bit of tape. It keeps sticking. This tape does not like me. Get off me. There we go. Now we're going to conceal this back up. Ooh. Shockwave, I believe your mission was a success. 1 second, just check. Off camera. Yep, that's tight, I believe. Now, shake it around. See what happens. Now it says shake. It says shake. Shake it off camera over here. I can't see this, by the way, so I don't know what I've got. I think I may or may not have put a little too much in, or I am putting enough in with the liquid. Right, let's see. So I'm gonna open it back up and put like a little bit more liquid in it. Ooh, it's not good. Three platforms giving up again. Okay, move that spoon back out the way. That's gonna be. I'm gonna have to clean that because it's got too much glitter on it. Okay, I'm gonna add a little bit more of the specimen stuff into it. A little bit more should do it. Yeah. There you go. I'll try and save this because I don't know how much I need of it or not. It doesn't specify, but it should say how many you need of this, how much you roughly need. It's like a light blue food dye I've got. Close that back up so I don't use it all. Because I use that for like stop motion things as well. I believe I have got one of the ones I was after. Right, I'm debating whether or not I should have put the glitter in now. So now I can't see the damn thing. But I believe I have. I've got the bloody mosasaurus, if I'm not mistaken. So am I meant to have something in here, like a little bit more liquid or something? Or is it meant to be like a slight bubble? I'll be back in a sec. Right, so I am back. I added a little bit of water into it because see what would happen. And it seems, see, can my camera focus on it? You've got the Mosasaur. So I'm happy about that. I've got a dino I wanted. Now, Shockwave. If I get any others, Shockwave will have like a little army, and he can actually create the Dinobots. It looks better on person than on camera. If I just turn my light off here, if I turn my lights off, can't see the damn thing. I think that's better. You can actually see it. Oh, this looks exactly like the depths of the when you see the Mosasaur in Jurassic World. The murky depths. Remember, if anyone in the comments has seen it, comment if you've seen the Jurassic World Dominion Fallen Kingdom. Yeah, comment if you've seen Jurassic World Fallen Kingdom, because if you have, you'll know what I mean. Yeah, this is nice. It's better now. The glitter's settling, so you can actually see the creature. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching this episode. Soon there will be more videos, and you'll see next time you see me, I might be doing Jurassic World. No, not Jurassic World. So maybe if this video does well, I might do another Jurassic World. But next time, it should be. But the next one should be. What was it? Lord of the Rings. Do not know how well that video will go, because I need a blacklight for it to cure it properly. So yeah, that's a little handle. Anyway, thanks for watching, and see you next time. Peace out.